Championship game starting now. Cody Power.
What is this, bro?
Cody Power versus the Chickens. See how this goes. Commentator. Start off, strike. See how this goes. Ball. Count 1-1. See how it goes. Hey, champ, how you feel about the game?
Good. We looked good in the semifinals.
Sir, hey, keep going.
Remember, put.
Hey, 2-2. Count 2-2.
Hey, you faced your brother.
Matthew, up.
You faced your brother 100 times.
Foul ball. Battling. Jacob Venturia pitches it. And it's a ball. Full count. Renteria delivers. Oh, and he strikes him out. 3. Ball 4. Strike 3. Hey, can somebody give me a water?
Yo,
You
that's tough.
say Champ Cabrera is
This
one
is
of
so
the
tough.
arguably
Hey,
one of the best hitters here. Oh, it's up. And
No,
it's
this
an
is
out.
Humble music.
Would you say Champ Cabrera is one of the best hitters here?
I think Jacob and Roman, bro, are the two fierce.
I don't know, but it's tough.
Yeah, they're raking right now.
You should not like mess with them.
Roman's up there in the chairs right now. He's up in the stands. Cole.
Oh my god.
Heck of a day, 5-1.
Let's see how Cole does. Foul ball.
Hey! Oh, 100? That was
Wait, what's the count?
That's like
2-1.
Oh! Get out, walk.
Out! That is out!
Bro, why am I only hitting cars?
Ball 4. Takes a walk. Ball 4. Batter takes his base. Ball 4. Bases loaded. No outs. Matthew went to re-up. Ball 4. 1-0. Runner got walked in. What? Ball 4. Another run in. 2-0. Is it count 2-1? Oh, ground ball. Oh, hey, that scores 2. That scores 2. Chickens up 4-0. Oh, ground ball up the middle. Oh, you're going. You're scoring.
Hey, you're up.
Oh yeah! That Nolan just called your shot. Instead of ground ball, and you called Nolan's shot. What? Hey, honest opinion. What do you think Justin's gonna do here? Oh, never mind. Stuff. Oh!
Get out, ball.
So you're gonna drive. Oh! Over his head!
Go.
Hey, he's going for! Hey, go 3, go 3, go 3! Get him 3. Hey, how do you feel about your at-bat?
pretty good.
Your 2 at-bats.
I'm raking right now.
You're good. Hey, triple and a home run does a cycle.
Yep.
Oh! Champ, man. Can't believe he gets jams like that.
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
It's down, ball's
What's
down.
the score?
Single. Drifter.
Oh my god. That
Nolan,
came out your
what's
face.
your favorite MLB player of all time?
Ronald King.
Solid. Goal. I'll tell you, Cole. Safe. Hey, dead ball. Got you. Hey, Matthew, how do you feel about that hit all time?
Is that ball game? What?
Wholesale TV. My wholesale TV. He's buns.
You beat him.
He's junior. Who's your favorite MLB player of all time?
Is that game?
Who's your favorite MLB player of all time?